Witam Państwa bardzo serdecznie na terenie fabryki katalizatorów w Środzie Śląskiej. Jest to najbardziej nowoczesny zakład firmy Basf i jeden z najbardziej nowoczesnych tego typu zakładów na całym świecie. Na terenie 10 hektarów zbudowaliśmy 9 linii produkcyjnych i zatrudniamy ponad 400 wysoko wykwalifikowanych pracowników. Cały proces inwestycyjny przebiegał niezwykle sprawnie i bardzo bezpiecznie, co zostało uhonorowane główną nagrodą Państwowej Inspekcji Pracy w roku 2013. Wierzę, że udało nam się stworzyć miejsce pracy o najwyższych światowych standardach, do którego pracownicy przychodzą bez obaw i gdzie pracuje im się bardzo bezpiecznie. Życzę udanej i owocnej wizyty w naszym zakładzie.
As the world leader in the chemical industry, we know that the success of our company is directly connected to the safety of our employees, environmental protection and responsibility. In order to improve the level of safety of our employees and to limit the impact on the environment, we have prepared the general EHS guidelines. Incident reporting. It is obligatory to use various types of machine safeguarding, among others, LOTO, lockout, tagout. It is strictly forbidden to circumvent safeguards. All works in confined spaces must be adequately protected. Employees working at height must be adequately protected. All employees must observe the safety procedures when carrying out hot work, such as cutting, welding, and other work generating heat. It is necessary to duly and sincerely report safety information. Moreover, there are numerous bans imposed in the factory. Smoking, using open flame, and using e-cigarettes are prohibited. Employees are not allowed to consume alcoholic beverages and to be under the influence of alcohol or any other intoxicants. Taking photos or filming without the consent of the factory's management is not allowed. Traffic regulations apply to the area of the car park and roads near the factory. The speed limit is 20 km per hour and pedestrians must use the marked pedestrian walkway. In the factory, pedestrians must use the marked pedestrian walkways in the production and warehouse areas, exclusively in places where they work and where the staff rooms are located. All employees, subcontractors and guests of Basf Poland Catalytic Converter Factory must use high-visibility jackets, safety goggles, safety shoes and hard hats or safety helmets when entering the production area. Only authorized employees are allowed to drive forklift trucks and they must not exceed the speed limit of 8 km per hour. All employees must have a proximity card and use it whenever they enter the building, leave the building, and whenever they enter or leave a particular area. If you spot a person without a proximity card, you must immediately report it to your superior. The card must be always visible during work. Employees are not allowed to bring to the factory and store in the lockers such objects as stolen items, drugs, arms, alcoholic beverages, poisonous, caustic and foul-smelling substances. The factory is under video surveillance. It is necessary to observe the security rules. It is not allowed to lead guests in without a consent. Security officers are authorized to verify the permits, check individuals' IDs to verify the identity, ask individuals to leave the building in case of breaching applicable rules of Basf Catalytic Converter Factory, randomly control personnel and vehicle traffic. In the factory, alarms are used to inform about risks. There are two types of alarms: acoustic, constant sound of siren, and red color light. Carefully familiarize yourself with the evacuation plan, the location of emergency exits, and rally points. During the evacuation, follow the vertical and horizontal evacuation signs.